Well, good morning everybody. Welcome back to the 3D print workshop in Weston. 3D Derek here. If you're anything like me, you've got lots of odd wagons and odds and ends stuck in your collection. And having a look through the other day, I found I had 4 of these R340 Conflats kicking around, one of which obviously had the transformers glued into it at some point. But to go with these, I should say, I only had 2 transformers. So I thought it might be a nice idea to rise to the challenge. So a little design and effort later, and we've added a few into the mix. Now the difference being, the original, if I can get it into focus for you, is quite a wonderfully detailed piece of moulding, and it's also got lettering on it and writing and rivets and all kinds of lovely detail, which sadly you just can't quite reproduce with a 3D print. And if you do try to reproduce something that small, quite often you just get a bit of a garbled mess which looks bad. So I've left them actually blank, but it doesn't really detract from the print itself. And there we are, the machine doing its labour of love and producing another one for the rake. And there now it is, hot off the press. Just snap away the base and the supporting structure on the inside when you print the top, and there is another one all ready to be added in to the rake. And here now is the run of wagons complete with their loads. So we'll pop them up on the railway and see how they run. Yeah, I think that looks really good going around behind the old Ginty there. I'm rather pleased with those. Once again, one has to say, what you can actually achieve with a 3D printer on your model railway makes it the ideal thing to have in your toolkit. Thanks very much for watching.